Good morning students. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of 21 lesson figure of speech. Okay, look here. In this period today we are going to learn what is meant by the transferred epithet. Okay, transferred epithet means what? Means a quality or that transfer from one noun to another noun. Okay, look here. First we learn the definition of transfer epithet means what? Transverse epithet is a figure of speech. It is a figure of speech in which an epithet. Epithet means visheshta. Okay, quality. Epithet, that means an adjective. Okay, epithet means an adjective. Remember this. Epithet means an adjective. म्हणजे विशेषता किंवा विशेषण is transferred from its actual noun to another noun. म्हणजे काय होतं की ट्रान्सफर इफिथिएट मध्ये एक विशेषता असते जी प्रत्यक्ष एका खऱ्या अशा नामामधून एका नामामधून दुसऱ्या नामामध्ये ट्रान्सफर होते, ढकलली जाते किंवा पुढे ट्रान्सफर म्हणजे परावर्तित किंवा रूपांतरित केली जाते. बघा, डू यू गेट दॅट? ओके, an adjective is transferred. an adjective म्हणजे ती विशेषता जी क्वालिटी आहे ती काय होते? ट्रान्सफर होते. one place to another place it move. Okay, from its actual noun to another noun. Are you getting that? What is meant by the transfer epithet? Transfer epithet it is a figure of speech in which an epithet means an adjective. It is the similar words. Okay, epithet means an adjective is transferred. That means epithet transferred from its actual noun to another noun. Full stop. For example, oh, rest beside the very road. Oh, rest beside the very road. That means here one quality or one epithet transferred to another noun. Okay, and here the angels sing. Okay, in this example they express one quality transferred from into another. Okay, now the related with this figure of speech, here is one question. Look at the following examples of transferred epithet. Transferred epithet means a figure of speech, that means actual noun. That means an adjective is transferred from actual noun to another noun. Okay, now the explain which epithet means adjective. Okay, epithet means an adjective. Okay, is transferred from which noun. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय करायचंय की एपिथेट म्हणजे काय, विशेषता जी कोणती आहे एका नामापासून दुसऱ्या नामापर्यंत ट्रान्सफर झालेली आहे, एकाकडून दुसऱ्याकडे ढकलली गेलेली किंवा पुढे ट्रान्सफर केलेली आहे, रूपांतरित केलेली ते आपल्याला सांगायचं. ओके, द फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज हियर. धिस समर आय हॅड द idlest of holidays ever. Okay, this summer I had the idlest of the holidays ever. Full stop. In this example we have to convey or we have to explain which epithet is transferred. Okay, that is the transfer epithet. I write in short form. Okay, transferred epithet. Okay, the idleness of the person. Are you getting that? The idleness of the person is transferred from him to the holidays. Are you getting that? म्हणजे idleness निष्क्रियता. ओके, निष्क्रियता, मानवाची जी निष्क्रियता आहे ती त्याच्याकडून ट्रान्सफर कुणाकडे झालेली आहे? हॉलिडेज कडे. आर यू गेटिंग दॅट? दिस idleness. Okay, that means निष्क्रियता, passiveness. Okay, passiveness is transferred from man to that holidays. Are you getting that? बघा की epithet म्हणजे विशेषता किंवा विशेषण, an adjective transferred. Okay, the idleness of the person, मानवाची निष्क्रियता is transferred from him to the holidays. त्या व्यक्तीकडून कशाकडे ट्रान्सफर झालेली आहे? हॉलिडेज कडे. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज देयर. She spent a restless night She spent a restless night outside the operation theater waiting for her mother to come out. Full stop. And the answer is here transferred immediate. Transferred immediate, that means adjective of which transferred from one noun to another, that is the restlessness. Okay, restlessness, it is the noun. Okay, of the girl. Okay, this quality, restlessness of the girl is transferred from her to the night. Are you getting that? बघा, रेस्टलेसनेस म्हणजे मनाची चलबिचल होणे, शांतता नसलेली, ही काय झालेली आहे की त्या मुलीकडून कुणाकडे ट्रान्सफर झालेली आहे, या नाईट कडे. ओके, नाईट म्हणजे रात्रकडे ट्रान्सफर झालेली. आर यू गेटिंग दॅट? विच if it is transferred, that is the restlessness is transferred from that girl, from her to the night. Okay, I hope you can get the clear idea related with this figure of speech. The remaining part of this lessons we will see in next video. Okay.